Just to finish out strong and make sure leave a good mark on the final part of the season. Just to help our team get a great victory and set us up for next year.
You've kind of been Kivin's mentioned it over the last couple of weeks. You've been the mainstay for this team. The whole team really, probably been the most valuable player. When he comments, publicly like that about you and what you've done, is that pretty cool to hear that from your coaches and stuff like that?
Yeah, it's a good feeling to hear. Coaches talking highly of me. You try to just take it in and not try to get too big headed with it, and make sure you're just still playing for the team, and not for yourself.
What's obviously you're a junior. What will go into your decision whether or not to leave?
Just sitting down with the family and seeing what's best for me and my family, and how's the next year going to be for us, and what's the struggles and what's not the struggle. So that's basically it.
Have you talked to Kivin about it at all? Do you feel like he's someone you could kind of trust when you're talking about this and making that decision?
Yeah, I'm kind of trusting him this whole year with the way they help me make plays and help me build on my draft status. So I trust him on that part. So sit down at the end of the year and talk about it, and we'll see what the conclusion comes to.
Are you sending in one of those evaluations to the NFL, and are you going to wait until you get that back?
Yeah, I'm hopefully send one of those in and see what they say. If it's good, if it's not, hey, see what the situation is.
How much of a role is your family's financial situation playing into this?
It's a big role, but not really, because we've been lasting this long. So I'm pretty sure they can last another year. So.
What about the uncertainty with the collective bargaining agreement and the fact that there may not be a season next year? There might be a lockout. So, how much would that affect her?
That would be a big key to it. If it is a lockout, what's the point of leaving, right? So come back and complete another season. How about the team try to rebuild for the year after and get to the national championship?
What is this game upcoming? What does it mean to you, this rivalry?
Since I've been here, it's been one of the biggest things cross country, cross city rival. Just play against them. I really don't like the colors. I really don't like Adidas. So it's something I never liked since I was growing up, and I always liked the SE. So it's gonna be a big part of this thing, just to go out there and demolish them.